So in today's video, we're gonna be working on the trailer, showing you the 7.3 a little bit, messing around. I know it's been a while since I've been on here, probably about a week since I've uploaded, and that's just because I've been so busy with work and everything that I haven't had time to make a video or edit one. But I've had like 3 videos kind of halfway made, but I kind of just gave up on them because they're kind of crappy. So, you know, that's got canceled. But anyways, 7.3's got stock wheels on it. It's got that hanging out. But these are on here temporarily for a reason, and that's because I got new wheels coming. They're not, I haven't ordered them yet, I haven't bought them yet, but I'm saving up the money. I almost got it, and then I'll make a video when I put those on there. Now this is hanging out because this isn't factory. Like, that's not factory the way they do the reverse light. Like this, I don't think so anyway. Like, this doesn't like spin in, it just screws in weirdly. But anyways, there is new tail lights. But let's just focus on the main point here, which is my trailer. Now you can see there's 2 here. I bought this one, and he bought that one. Everybody thinks he got a better trailer, but I don't think so, because his is a flimsy wood frame on top of a boat trailer. And mine looks like it was a boat trailer that has had a steel flimsy frame put on it. So today we're gonna work on getting this thing all fixed up, cleaned up, painted, lights, all that good stuff. Once my buddy Josh gets here, because if you guys remember from like, if any of you watched it from like 3 years ago, we had a trailer we called the Uber trailer, right? We fixed it up, all this crap, you know, tons of crazy stuff, pulled it behind the 4-wheeler, abused it forever, flipped it over, drove on top of it with trucks, everything. But then I sold it to my buddy Josh, and then we fixed it up out here. And then he used it for a motorcycle trailer. Like, it had lights, jack, everything. Like, this thing was legit. Then we were like, whatever. So then he sold his trailer. He sold it. After all that work, all the memories, he sold the trailer for way too cheap. But then I come across this one for $100. I was like, well, let's scoop that. So this is the Uber 2.0 is the name. Uber 2.0. So we'll have lots of videos on this. I don't know what I'm going to use it for. I might just keep it, because I kind of missed having that little trailer. So more than likely, we'll just keep this one forever. Or not forever, but, you know, we'll just keep it. So stay tuned, we'll get to fixing this thing up. We'll change that to a 2-inch. That looks like, what, a 3-inch channel? So it needs a 2-inch receiver on it, because that's ugly. And then it needs... that's it, lights, paint, and all that. Probably tires. I wonder if these are good. I might have to buy wheels too. These look alright though. This one will probably hold air. But that wheel's very ugly, so we'll probably buy wheels too. The man himself.
Like a bitch.
Nice. Let me know in the comments if you guys think I should axe or something. What do you got there, Josh?
Some fancy stuff here.
So Tractor Supply was too expensive for a resale, because I'm probably not going to keep the trailer. Oh, that's nice. So we're going to go to... look at that guy, man. Just living life. German Shepherd and all. So we'll just go over here to Harbor Freight and see if we can get what we want for cheaper. Freight. So we got the trailer light kit here at Harbor Freight. I didn't have what else needed, so now we're going to Lowe's to get the jack kit and hopefully a 2-inch receiver. I don't want to have to buy one 7/8-inch ball. Cookout was good. Now we're going into Lowe's.
Big boy playground.
Big boy playground.
Big
That's
boy
right.
playground.
You heard me.
They might be doing that.
I don't understand my phone. Piece of garbage. Anyways, we got the 2-inch receiver at Lowe's for $10 instead of $25 and all that. 40 gallons later, we're filled up. Time to go work. Bring it over here, we're gonna need it. Or we don't need it, I can use mine, but let's use it. Let's just use it. Break it in. This. These are good. Okay. I know what this takes. We need to put brand new chrome sockets on a 3/8 impact and see how she likes it.
We're gonna stick your sockets on the impact.
Nah, these will work.
We're sticking yours in it right now.
Will I open it up then?
No, buddy.
Sweet pea.
We'll save this.
I didn't really feel it better yet. This is interesting. After a lot of fighting rusty bolts, that one's off and the new one's ready to go on. So we're pre-drilling holes for the new tongue there. And we're trying to do this without destroying a new bit. Ooh, I hate it. Well, now that's totally on. It's time to cut these bolts out so we can get this off. Sawzall works wonders at cut it easily. That's actually a really nice frame to work with. So we got this all somewhat sanded down. Good enough to where we can wash it and paint it probably. We're gonna take this wheel off and make sure we get it good and sanded. So that way we're ready to go. Yes, sir. What's this? Yeah. Now go get me
Dude,
the,
I'm digging this though.
You are?
That's all I need.
Yeah, go grab me the,
The only thing that it don't have is the wrenches.
Yeah.
The amount of wrenches.
Can you grab me a, this'll work. Grab me the, 3/8 drive.
I got all the sockets though. And I got more.
Grab me the impact, please, and shut up about your socket set. What's going on here, Josh? Give us an explanation what happened.
Your dumb ass don't know how to damn get something out. Now you got everything stuck. Nah, we just created a new tool.
Full pressure washer. We're gonna have to replace that one wheel because there's a hole in the actual wheel. I'll probably just replace both wheels. We dropped Josh for Bryce.
The better one.
The better one. Now we're getting some paint for the trailer. We got it all sanded down. Gotta get some paint. Look at that. Gotta get some paint here at the Lowe's. So anyways, we got the paint. I'll show you all the paint right now. Excuse me. It's all sanded up decently. We got some brick red paint. That's very interesting. So as you can see here, it's coming along good. I think it looks pretty good. I like it. What do you think?
I dig.
You dig.
I dig.
Well, anyways, y'all, hope you enjoyed the video. This is the first part of restoring this here Uber trailer 2.0. We got her painted up, all ready to go. Next episode, we had a little issue over there. But, next episode, we'll get the lights on and hopefully the wood. Well, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.
Happy birthday to Dalton. Turned 18 today. He's getting a couch ride. Oh my God, he just flipped. You all right? He had a couch wreck on his birthday. Oh, Lord have mercy. He survived. Look, he peed his pants.